So hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you on how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer for free in 2026. So let's get started. So let me just open my game, and as you guys can see I have already downloaded this Spoofer, and I can use my joystick to go anywhere I want by just staying at home and catch as many Pokemons I want. So let me just show you my settings real quick. So let me just click here and open my settings, and as you guys can see I have already enabled my dark mode, and I can use every features from here. So shortcuts, incognito mode, and don't forget to turn on this joystick dynamic mode after you get it. So let's get started. So just go ahead and open your profile and just click add friend, and right here you can see your trainer code. So just copy this real quick, and now alright, sorry, so now just go back and open your browser. And alright, so now just go to the website called spooferlab.com. So you guys can see I'm already in this website. So for now I'm just gonna go ahead and click inject spoofer now. So alright, now all you have to do is enter your trainer code. So I'm just gonna paste it, and also you guys can select any operating system that you're using, iOS, Android, or PC. So for now I'm just gonna continue with my iOS. So alright, as it is fetching profile data right now. So alright, and another cool thing about this website is you guys can select a full edition or a custom edition, because some people likes to use custom edition. So it is right here, but for now I'm just going to continue with full edition package. So you guys can see right here it is initializing kernel. So basically it means it is connecting to my account right now, and now I'm just going to give it a second. And also, if you guys want more of these videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can enjoy it too. So alright, and finally it is ready to import. Now all we have to do is verify yourself. So I'm just gonna click right here, and as you guys can see, so alright, but sometimes the verification fails. It must be due to the high traffic. So I'm just gonna try again. And alright, so it is verifying right now. So I'm just gonna give it a second. And alright, so finally we are verified and the import is successful, 100% complete and ready to use. So now I'm just gonna go back to my game. So alright, now let me just close these tabs real quick. And alright, so you guys can see your joystick will be right here after you enable it in your settings, so don't forget that. And let me show you another cool trick about this spoofer is you guys can teleport to anywhere you want. So just open your maps, and alright, so now let me just click right here, hold it and click teleport. And okay, so alright, so you guys just saw I just teleported to a whole another city, and now I can catch as much Pokemons I want. So don't forget to like this video and use this feature. So peace out.